This RE/MAX Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Gloria Eide. Ocean Front Condominium, ground floor unit. Garage, storage and workshop area. Fantastic ocean views, easy walk to beach, pickleball or tennis courts, perfect getaway home or permanent residence. 1 bedroom 1 bath, custom cabinets in kitchen, soft close pull-out shelves, granite counters, vinyl plank flooring. Full-size washer and dryer hookup off bedroom, nice walk-in closet and a deck just off the living area. For more information, review the details below or contact Gloria Eide at 541-698-7050.